Hey everyone, in this video we will review Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a popular choice for small to mid-sized home service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. It offers key features like job scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoices, payment processing, and even customer tax updates. The mobile app is easy to use and great for technicians in the field, while the web dashboard gives admin solid control. It offers a basic plan at $59 per month and an essential plan at $149 per month and a max plan by contacting them. It is easy to use with a clean layout that doesn't feel confusing or overwhelming even for the first-time users. The customer support is also responsive, especially through chat and community group. Housecall Pro helps reduce paperwork, streamline day-to-day operations, and improve customer experience. It's cloud-based, so everything syncs in real time between office staff and field techs. However, the pricing can rise quickly as you need more users or features. Some users mention limited customizations and reporting on lower tier plans. Overall, it's worth it for small to mid-sized service businesses looking to save time, stay organized, and grow more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.